Is a French fry craving hitting you hard? Well, hold the deep fryer, because these cheesy smashed potatoes are fluffy inside, crispy outside, and smothered in melty cheese. We steam mini potatoes for fluffiness and then bake them for that golden crunch. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make these smashed potatoes, we're gonna start with these really cute mini potatoes, and you can use any variety that you like. Now, most of the smashed potato recipes will have you boil them first. Now, you certainly can, but I prefer to steam them because then the potatoes do not become waterlogged and they retain as much of their nutritional value. And it goes a little quicker. So I just rinsed off about 2 pounds of potatoes, and then I placed them inside my steamer basket, filled it up to the bottom of the basket with some water, and then I cooked them on my stove over a medium to high heat for about 20 minutes or until they were fork tender. So these are soft and ready to be smashed. Now, there are several ways to add the oil and the seasoning to your potatoes, and most recipes will have you spread the oil in your pan, put the potatoes down in it, and then spread some more oil over the top. I find it makes them kind of soggy, so I prefer to just do it all in a bowl before the potatoes go onto the pan. Now, you're welcome to jot down the ingredients as we go, or you can click on the link in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details. I'm going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of some light olive oil to the bottom of a big bowl. And for seasonings, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a few dashes of pepper. And I'll just quickly mix this together. And then I'm simply going to dump in all of my steamed potatoes and toss them around until they're all well coated. This way I can make sure they have enough oil and seasoning all the way around the potato without being too greasy. Now, to bake the smashed potatoes, I've just taken my baking sheet and lined it with a piece of parchment paper, and this is going to make cleanup much easier. Then I'll just dump in all of our little potatoes, and then it's time to smash them. And you can use any flat jar that you like. I really like using a clear jar because then I can see through the bottom to my potato. So I'll just simply place it over potato and push down until it's evenly smashed. And then I'll have a spatula ready in case it needs a little bit of help detaching from the jar. So I'll just go around and quickly smash all the potatoes. Now, if you want them to be extra crispy, you can smash them about 1/4 inch thick. I like to make mine about 3/8 of an inch. And as you go, you'll get into a rhythm, and this will only take a few minutes. Well, these look fantastic, and they are ready to go into a 450-degree oven. We're going to set it for 10 minutes, and then we're going to take the potatoes out and then sprinkle on our cheese. Now, you can use any cheese variety that you like. I'm going to go with some Colby Jack. And then we'll put the potatoes back into the oven for about another 8 to 10 minutes or until they're nice and crispy and the cheese is just starting to toast. And if you'd like to have things a little on the saltier side, now is a really good time to sprinkle on just a little bit of some coarse sea salt to the top of the potatoes. Well, here are our crispy smashed potatoes after 10 minutes in the oven. So I've taken them out, and then I'm just going to sprinkle on some of our delicious cheese. And you can put as much or as little as you like. I'm going to start with about 1 cup of shredded cheese, and we'll see if this is enough. As far as I'm concerned, you can never have too much cheese. Well, now that they all have some cheesy happiness on top, these are going back into my oven for about another 10 minutes, or until that cheese is starting to get a little crispy around the edges. Well, here are our smashed potatoes right out of the oven, and they look so good. And this is optional, but I've just taken some parsley and finely diced it, and then I'll sprinkle this over the top of the potatoes. And now it goes on to my plate. And my favorite way to enjoy these is dipped in my homemade ranch salad dressing. I've included a link to the easy recipe in the video description below. That is so good. I love how that potato is just really crispy on the outside and then just light and fluffy on the inside. And having that melted cheese that's a little bit soft as well as crispy on the edges just takes it to another level. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel just as good even after I eat it. And I love sharing my creatively healthier alternatives to fast food that we can all enjoy. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.